So I'm doing this project for a couple of guys near me, and they are doing a solar car project, and what they wanted me to do for them is make styrofoam molds of the car for them so that they can make the part out of carbon fiber. So what you see here are the pieces to the bottom side of the mold. There's going to be two molds. One mold is 7 feet by 16 feet and 24 inches. That's the bottom side. And those are the parts that we have here right now. I'm going to assemble them, and by the time I'm done, it should be one large block with a negative image on the top side. What you guys see here are these jigsaw patterns that I've incorporated in the part because my CNC machine is not big enough to machine the mold in one piece, and most of the parts have that where it's necessary. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the process looks like of me putting together the pieces of this mold. Okay, so that was how I put this mold together. This mold took about 10 days of machining, maybe 10 hours a day. This one's fairly simple. It has a lot of flat surfaces on it. It's one solid styrofoam part, weighs about 200 pounds. This is probably the biggest piece that I've ever fabricated. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. If you guys want to see what the part will look like after it's made, I'm going to go in CAD right now to show you guys what that is. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Okay, so now that we are in Rhino 3D, here is the 3D model for the plug that you guys just saw me put together. And I'm going to simulate what it would look like if we were to make parts from this mold. So if I turn on the top layer, this would simulate our part that is being casted inside this mold. And if we remove it like so, we flip it over, that would be the top side of our vehicle. Let me hide this, and then I'll actually bring in the bottom side, and then we'll put it together, see what it looks like. Scooch this up here. Okay. Put it up, and that's what the final product should look like. Once we have both parts made, the top side and the bottom side, and this is what the vehicle should look like when it's put together. And this is done from 2 styrofoam molds, the top half and the bottom half. Alright, that's it for this one. I'll see you guys next time in the next project.